Two sets of plates make up the clutch pack: the driving plates and driven plates. The outer driving plates are flat. External splines locate in mating splines in the clutch drum. The inner driven plates have friction material bonded to them. Their splines mate with splines on the outside of a central hub, which is itself splined to the primary sun gear. The friction material can be treated fibre or reinforced paper. It may have a grooved surface to assist in wiping oil from between the plates when the clutch engages. The plates are loaded into the clutch drum against the pressure plate and are placed alternately to make up the pack. The central hub is installed to engage the inner plates and the thrust washer placed in position. The large face of the input shaft acts as the final plate in the pack. The splines at its outer edge transmit the input torque to the clutch drum and the driving plates. The input shaft is retained in the drum by a large diameter snap ring. The number of plates installed determines the torque capacity of the clutch. Installing more plates increases torque capacity, but the clutch must always maintain its set clearance so the plates can separate from one another while in the released position. A centrifugal relief valve in the clutch piston releases fluid trapped in the cylinder when the clutch is released. This prevents partial application of the clutch due to centrifugal force acting on the fluid at high speed.